Alangan na hindi problema yan. Problema talaga yan. Ang tamis ng shrimp. At saka, spicy yung nilagay ko. Sobrang spicy. Daming sili, guys. That's you, Rox. Siya naman lang talaga yung nakipag-usap sa akin talaga. Kasi kapag hinahanap ko yung ibang siblings ko, parang ayaw nila akong kausapin. Oh my God. Good morning, guys. Just listening to news. Winter storm in Florida to Virginia. Anyway, good morning. Oh my God, guys. Today is January 3. Probably you will see this vlog late, guys. Habs is being a bad boy, guys. Being a bad boy. He's very unhappy kasi binigyan ko siya ng pagkain, di ba? Ang binigay ko, pagkain lang. Pagtingin niya, pagkain lang, guys. Yung sakan, sa lata. Pagtingin niya ganyan, nagdagan-dagan, guys. There's no freaking turkey. That's why I don't give them turkey because they're used to it now. I have to stop giving it. I have turkey but hindi ko bibigay sa kanila yet. Later, treat yun ba? Kasi sabi pa ni Tami, wag mo ibigay palagi kasi ano, dapat treat yan. Yung ganyan. So, okay. So, nagyaw-yaw yung anak niyang lalaki. Pati yung dalawa, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo, ha? Hindi nga umingi. Oh, binigyan ko yung pagkain nila. Tignan nyo dito. Kung sinong natutulog, dalawa parang takot sa pagkain na walang, ano. Tignan nyo naman. Today, what is today? Wednesday, guys. Wednesday ngayon, guys. So, it's time for me to edit over here, guys. Nilagyan ko ng cover dito dahil si Dimple Lords mahilig umupo yan. At saka ando na naman siya. Kaya nga itong mga couch ko may mga cover dahil sa mga pusa kits ko. Kasi yung pusa kits ko palaging nagligid, guys. Yeah, it is 11 o'clock. 10:59 na. So, 11 o'clock. And bugutin ko lang itong buhok ko. Bugutin. Ponytail. Itatay ko lang siya. And then, I'm going to grocery to pick up something, which is dog food. Or else, if I don't get dog food now, guys, good luck to the dog. Good luck to the dog. Tomorrow is going to snow, and it's gonna be a problem. Kasi kapag mag-snow, problema talaga, guys, kapag mag-snow. Alangan na hindi problema yan. Problema talaga yan. Dahil, it says it's gonna be cold. So, that means yung snow na nandun sa driveway namin, kasi ma-ice yun, guys. So, kailangan, so hindi ako makalabas. So, if hindi ako makalabas, dalawa na yung natitirang can ng pagkain ng aso. So, wala silang pagkain the whole weekend. At saka, plus, next week, ice pa rin. So, hindi ako makalabas. So, wala silang pagkain the whole until mahilis yung ice or mawala yung snow. And itong dalawa, parang gutom. Yeah, Habs is acting up again, guys. Look, tignan niya. Tignan niyo yung mata niya. Yung mata niya, nakatingin dito dahil gutom, bag. Gutom ka, di ba? Gutom si Habs si bag again. Ay, nako, gutom na naman itets. Where are you going, them? Gutom din yan. Ito, gutom din. Next time, I won't give you a lot of food, Rox and Misty. Hindi kita bigyan ng maraming pagkain. Look, hindi nyo kinain itong morning breakfast nyo, hindi. Gusto nilang merong turkey, merong ganon. Ay, nako. Magutom kayo. Ako nga, gutom ako. Kakain ba ako? Huh? Suot na tayo nito para na, ano, tinext ko lang yung asawa ko, hinintay ko, pero hindi pa nag-reply. Busy ata. Trabaho siya ngayon, guys. So, yun. Itong lus-lus talaga ito. Busog na ako, so hindi na ako magutom. Uy, kailangan ko pa palang. Nabasa ko itong na-post ni Sister Nori, Nori Evans sa Facebook. Hi sis, sabi mo, kailangan nyo nang ilagay yung Christmas decor mo. Kukunin ko na din itong sa akin. Baka bukas na. Kasi kailangan ko pang, I don't wanna clean up. I need just to put everything down. I mean, kailangan ko lang kunin yung mga bin or boxes na lagyan ko nito para later on slowly okay, hinahinayo na lang na ako ni. So, hindi na ako mag-vacuum. Pagkatapos na lang mag-clean up ko. I was planning of rearranging the furniture again. I mean, I don't have a freaking furniture. So yun, ito lang yung couch namin. I'm planning of rearranging it again. I like doing that, guys. Guys, sabihin ko sa inyo, guys. I don't know, guys, kung ako lang ito. Ako lang ang ganito. Pero gusto ko yung rearranging sa furniture. Gusto ko. Mahilig ako sa mga ganyan. Rearrange, tuyok-tuyok, tuyok ko yung furniture. Gusto ko yun. Ito yung isang tulog ng tulog na patulog ng tulog. Patulog-tulog man oy. I'm gonna bring another bed here from upstairs, okay? I'll put it down here because you're not happy. You're very unhappy. She doesn't like when I leave, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Oh, to si Mythicals dito. Palaging happy naman ito. Hi, Mythicals. Yun naman ang baby ni Mama. Palagi happy. No, Tosh. Ay, Tosh na baby ni Mama. No, Miss Roxy is really sad. You're very unhappy, Rox. Oh, you're so unhappy, little girl. I'll be right back. Kailangan ko lang kumuha ng pagkain ninyo. Yun lang naman ang kukunin ko. Pagkain ninyo. Kasi kapag wala kayong pagkain, nagutom kayo. Yun. Anyway, guys, be right back. Okay, guys, hindi ko na kayo dalhin kasi gusto ko punta, alis. Ganyan lang. Kita-kits na lang tayo later. Okay, bye. Home, guys. Ilagay ko muna kayo dyan. Yeah, nada. You guys are not really good, huh? You're not eating your din-din. I'm not giving you nothing. Extra special, nada. No special, nada. And then Mom's going upstairs to be comfortable. Yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs to wear comfortable clothes. And I don't care. Binalik ko na naman ito, guys, kasi hindi naman ito madumi, guys. Dito lang naman ako. So, comfortable, pero hindi naman siya madumi. Ang bango. I am missing it all since you've been gone. Mythicals. Mythicals. Cause of pickles. Cause now. I know, you guys. I'm not giving you nothing. No special thing. You're gonna have just the tung-tung, and I'm gonna have the tang-tang. Diba, guys? That's it?
I gotta get my ass back inside. I'm doing all kinds of crap. I came out to call you after you texted, and you told me you were filming, so I said, I guess I won't call you now. I'll come back out, go back into the shit.
Okay, thank you. I love you.
Love you too.
I love you. I'll talk to you later then.
Love you too. Again. Talk to you later.
Yeah, say hi to Roxy first.
Bye, puppy, love it.
Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Yung ulo ni Roxy, guys. She's right in front of me. Nakaloka naman ito, Roxy. Nakaloka naman ito mga ate ko. The two of you ba? 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 The two Mama Socks is right here. Mama Socks is right here. Mama Socks.
What?
Patilo, alipatim, palimpang, alimpadim, palimpalimbatam. I love you, Mitz. Let's do mukbang. But before mukbang, Instagram muna tayo. Gumawa ako ng Cajun shrimp. Cajun shrimp. Ito ang tawag na spicy ito, guys, kasi dinagdagan ko ng maraming sili. Pero tignan natin kung kaya ba. Snack lang ito, guys, ha, kasi dami naman ito. Gusto ko lang i-try while it's hot. I just tried it Cajun different way. But I have a little bit of rice. Let's try it. Okay. Frozen ito nga. Itong shrimp na ito is frozen. Sarap. Sarap siya. Oh my god. It's spicy. And I cook it the right time. Hindi siya, yung shrimp hindi siya, tawag nito, it's not like tough. Sarap. Sarap, guys. Ang tamis ng shrimp. At saka, spicy yung nilagay ko. Sobrang spicy. Daming sili, guys. Sarap. Tapos na akong nag-lunch pero ito, kumain. Ang sarap nito, guys, as in. Ako lang naman kumain ito, guys. Wala na iba. So spicy. Sarap. So tender. Sarap ang pagkaluto ko as in. Magustuhan ito ni Tami. Kaso was Tami. Oh my god. Spicy. Plano ko pa naman sana maglawoy na lang ko eh. Ang anghang. Makabili kayo ng shrimp. Kahit hindi na fresh, frozen na siya, uncooked. Pero meron pa siyang egg, meron pa siyang tail. So yun, maganda yun dahil meron pang tail. So yun. At sa Costco din, meron pang shell. Gusto ko yung merong shell. Sarap. Ang nilagay ko dito is Old Bay seasoning, yung seafoods. Pang seafoods naman talaga yun. Paprika. Italian seasoning. Sili. Yun lang, yung sili. At saka oil and butter. Grabe, ang sarap. Most of the time, I cook the shrimp, guys, overcook. Pero hindi siya overcook. Ito, sobrang as in tender. It's like melt in your mouth. Hot. Nagyaw-yaw si Roxy, guys. Tignan nyo dun. Kanina pa yan. Ngayon lang ako naka-video kasi. Tignan nyo. Yes, I know. Is there any problem, Rox? Yo, to, yo. Hey. Kanina pa yan, guys, nagyaw-yaw. Yaw-yawan. Oh, what's your sister doing? Where's Misty? She look at her sister. What is she doing? What Misty doing? What do you think she's doing right there? Come right here. Come here, right here. Come right here. Oh, dulu baby nyo. Itos, pinangga man na ni mama na nagyaw-yaw mo na, woy. Do you have a problem, ho? Nagyaw-yaw mo na, hoy. Yaw-yawan man yung akong pinanggoy. You talk too much, bebe. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo, guys. Park butt over here. The park butt over here. Ito yung life ko, guys. Kapag hindi ako nag-i-edit, nanonood lang ng TV, ganon-ganon. Ito siya palagi. So, walang kaimik-imik. Pinangga mo na ako ni guys. I love them all. But, si Misty, hindi ko siya kinakarga dahil, katulad ni Roxy, I will let them come up. They have to wait for me to tell them to come up. Because pag sinabi ko na come up, jump. Pero si Misty, takot mag-jump, guys. So, ayaw ko siyang i-carry para ma-used to. No, I don't want her to get used to. Malaki namang asong to at saka marunong mag-jump. So, i-jumpy. Yes. But she won't jump until I told her, guys, not to jump. Because pag hindi ko sinabi na ambak dito, jump dito, hindi din siya, maghintay lang siya kung kailan ko sabihin na ganyan. Come here, right that. Hindi naman siya lapdog, pero feeling niya lapdog siya. Pero lapdog na rin kasi gustong-gusto niya na sa lap ko. Yes, lapdog naman na baby ni mama. So, it's such a baby, guys. Tignan nyo. Baby talaga to. Pinangga mo gulo eh. Pinangga man silang dalawa, guys. Love na love ko silang dalawa, pero itong si Roxy talaga very clingy. Makikita mo sa mata niya na nasasad siya. Very showy si Roxy. It's you. Did you see yourself? That's you, Rox. That's you. Look at that. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Sino yan? Who is that? Oh, my Roxticles. Hi guys! Ano ng oras guys? 5:30 na ng gabi. Luto lang ako ng ricey, kajuni, Cajun shrimp. Asan yung Roxy na yan? Andun siya. Yung may bahay doon ay. Kita nyo yung light? Pag summer, hindi yan makikita. Kasi hindi mo makita dahil sa mga kahoy-kahoy. Okay, kami din. Okay, let's go inside.
Those doors and more. See you at 6 o'clock.
Hinahanap pag-ibig mo. Ito ka na naman. Hi guys! It's 7:36 na ng gabi. Another mukbang time. I know, there's a lot of... Today is the mukbang day. I know. I remember, if you're singing, eating, don't sing or my parents would sing. Ay, kanta-kanta, nagkaon ka. Huh? Ito, shrimp tayo, shrimp. Init ko lang siya konti. Sarap. Alam nyo ba kung ilang sili yung sinagor ko dito? Minix ko sa Cajun shrimp ko. 5 sili. Plus the paprika pa. Ay, nako. Tapos ko lang tumawag sa kapatid kong babae. Yung palagi kong kausap. Siya naman lang talaga yung nakipag-usap sa akin talaga. Kasi kapag hinahanap ko yung ibang siblings ko, or ina ko, parang ayaw nila akong kausapin. Iba talaga pag walang pera. Anyway guys, hindi naman ito para kaaron ingno na feeling ko yung family perfect. Walang perfect na family. May mga konting away lalis. Pero abnormal na yun yung dahil sa pera. Kasi wala kang ipadala. Hindi na yan masaya. At hindi ka kausapin. Yan ang pinaka-worst. Akala kasi ng iba, yung nandito sa abroad, kapag hindi magpadala, masama na. Kasi tayo yung pinag-usapan doon sa Pilipinas. Pero wala silang alam. Natutulugon mo na nga akong hagtibag. Uy, nag-yuning-yuning mo na Wala akong tubig. Ang tubig ko ang sa baba. Basement. Cajun shrimp. Ang sarap. So good. Sop-sopa mo. Ang hang. Anyway guys, nalugubat na. Kita-kits na lang tayo sa isang episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. I-end ko na ito guys kasi alas 8 na ng gabi. Hey, what are you doing over there? Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching guys. I-end ko na to. And mag-i-ano lang ako ng video para bukas maglagay ng thumbnails at saka so tapos na akong nag-dinner and tapusin ko lang din yung laundry ko. I-ano ko lang siya sa taas. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits tayo bukas guys. Salamat sa panonood. Bye! Good night guys! Bye-bye!